Hello, learner. Last time we read about the correlation. Our next topic is JSON extractor. So, just like the regular expression extractor, JSON extractor is also used to extract the values from the JSON. So, it will be helpful for you to easy get. So, if we have a response like this JSON. So we are getting in a response this JSON and we need to pass this some value from there at the runtime, search it and pass it into the next sampler or for processing, uh, uh, further processing and providing any details so we can use it. How to add those things? So in a sampler, add post processor, and here you can see JSON process JSON extractor. When you click it, it will get as it is. Here I create a name as status. JSON path started with dollar dot status. So here you can see in response, it will read the success value here. So JSON dot status. If you random zero and capture all suffix similar type, so you can click check box under a default value will be null or blank. It's up to you, so that you can judge my JSON extractor is not getting reads. So this is way for the assertion purpose. You can add get this value and assert it. Similarly, I added one more. So dollar dot data. So we are using dollar data and this value. So let me and run it. So here, okay, already run. In debug sampler, we can see response. IDS, the second one, and first one is status. So here we get status value is success from the previous. So status is success, and we read it. So this is in debug. We can see the variable name is status. Similarly, IDS, employee detail and other things. ID is equal to 2. So we got this value from the this one is read it. ID is equal to 2. Just check what is the name. Grant. Okay, this one get added. So till this part from here to here. This is from the JSON extractor and you can use. So this is JSON extra. Thank you. We'll meet on next topic.